Hey everybody, this is Dave and I am Braden's daddy. We are here to do another box of 2017 Bowman Chrome HTA Choice for ThePhinatic. You want box number 2 this time. It is right there. Good luck, Chris. I'm still trying to think, what are the other teams that have done well? Phillies get a number of hits, at least in the ones we've been doing. Phillies, Mariners, Rangers do okay. Uh, Royals, the Reds, and like I said, all right, here we go. First up, Wander Javier for nonetheless the Twins. Like I said, most hits in the product right there. All right, we've got Blue Mojo, Bryson Brigman. So that Javier, is that the one that they're looking for on the Twins? Because we pulled some nice ones of him. This this guy too we pulled. I think we pulled the orange of him. Oh, you know what? That one is 104 of 150. Well, you got two colored in this one, Chris. How about a green? Right after we're talking about it, the two teams that hit the most, Giants and Twins. Miguel Gomez. 31 of 99. Not too shabby. I know yesterday you were wanting color. You got two in one there. So you had the Miguel Gomez. I'm going to have to take it off this. We should do number two. Oh, you're going to go in order? Is that your new scheme? We're going to go in order? I just wish that medicine would have worked. So I'm just going to leave it on the same video. He wants number 3. So this will be the same video. Good luck, Chris. Good luck. It's working. Yeah, it is. I know you're hoping that you see a white redemption or like gold circles. We're due for a super fraction. It didn't take this long in Topps Chrome. Bowman's making us wait a little. All right, first up, we've got Daniel Gossett. You missed out on a gold Bellinger because I chose not to hit enter on a live stream. Oh my God, and they pulled a gold? Good Lord. What did they end up selling for? I know you said you got them for 100 on one of the eBay ones. We've got Ryan O'Hearn. Oh, for a 2K spread. Well, that's not that bad. It doesn't beat that $100 you got. Did you end up getting anything out of the one you got them for 100 for? Oh, I saw the team and I saw the color. I thought we were going to get lucky. Gold Shimmer. Couple hit. But it is not wanting to focus. There we go. Ofelky Peralta. Gold Shimmer auto. I saw the Orioles. I thought we might get a haze. Let me get more sleeves. And that one is 34 of 50. Can you tell I was doing packaging or sorting today with all the Sharpie all over me? Alrighty. Let's do one more. Number 4 he wants. Number 4. Good luck, good luck. It's been working for you, going in sequential order. You know this is one of the ones I take, 7 and 4 all the time. Alrighty, first up, Vladimir Gutierrez. I know they were saying this one's not a bad one yesterday. We've got Anthony K. And your last one, we got more color. Blue Mojo. Letty Tavares. This guy never signs in the right place. Boom. This guy? We pulled a ton of him. I don't think we pulled an auto from him in the right place. That one's 46 of 150. You can stop for now. You want me to hold them off, or are you opening it up? Oh, Matt G's gone. I didn't think he left. I guess he thought you were doing all the rest. I don't know where Michael Wilson is. I thought he'd be in here when I went live. It's open. All right. Personals are open to Chris is taking a pause. 4. Let's try and do a filler too. Let's see. Let me get them and stop this video.